Hey everyone, this is Chris from SLE Equipment here in Nashville, Tennessee. I have here a 8.5 by 16 merchandising trailer, black with blackout trim, sitting on top of two 5,000-pound axles. It has a 50 amp electrical package and a hydraulic back deck. I believe this is set up for merchandising of some sort, so it does have a merchandising table, two large open concession windows, and stairs to go up to your back deck. It does have stabilizing jacks underneath it as well. Here we have the countertop, along with additional storage underneath. And here is your hydraulic cylinder. You can fill that with hydraulic fluid. If it runs out, you can replace the car battery there if needed. Here's your breaker panel with your inverter. You have two outlets up there as well. 6 LED strips on the inside, along with 2 LED strips on the flip-ups. 2 LEDs on the back. Right there's your 50 amp plug. When you're plugging up, make sure that the generator or the breaker's turned off. Plug your cable up, push in, twist to the right, tighten up the collar. Once you've done that, go ahead and turn on the breaker system or your generator. If you have any questions, feel free to call. My name is Chris. Thanks.